and former Mantri who has now been booked. Bhairathi Basavaraj, who has now been booked as far as in this case is now concerned, but the police are now probing his role for the abetment to the crime. Neha.
Well, that's right, Amita. Of course, at this point, given that there are 4 other accused as well who have been named, the police, of course, currently is in their hot pursuit. As far as Bhairathi Basavaraj is concerned, BJP MLA, former minister as well, he's been named as one of the accused in this case also. Now, his role currently is something that's under scrutiny of the police. They're looking at his role for abetment to this crime. Remember, the FIR, of course, there mentions that it was with his help that the prime accused in the case carried out this particular crime. All of that is something that's coming under scrutiny right now and forming a part of the police investigation. But definitely a crime there that sent shockwaves down the spines of people living in the eastern part of Bengaluru.
All right. As far as when it comes to the investigation now is concerned, as far as the individual who has been killed in this such a brutal manner, as he was hacked to death by machetes, that is being said was the weapons that was used by the unidentified assailants who arrived in a car, killed him using a machete and then fled from the scene. For the moment, Neha, thank you very much.